In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front sway bar link on your Nissan Armada. Located behind the front wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the tire. We need to remove the tie rod to give us more access to the upper nut. Using a 22mm socket, go ahead and remove this nut. Now with a hammer, we can go ahead and tap in this area to pop it off. When you do this, you want to make sure you do not hit the threads, it could damage them. Now we can grab the tie rod and just move it up, out of the way. Now we have more access to the top nut. We're going to start by removing the bottom using a 17mm socket. Go ahead and take it out. For the top nut, we're going to use a 17mm wrench to remove it. Go ahead and remove the nut. And now simply grab the tie rod and slide it out. And here's the old one. For the new one, we're gonna go ahead and start it at the bottom. Slide it in, and now go ahead and line it up with the top hole. Go ahead and start the nuts by hand. Now we can go ahead and get everything snug. Using a 19mm wrench, we're gonna hold on to the inside of the tie rod. You're gonna notice it's gonna have a spline that you can put a wrench on it. And on this side, we're gonna use an 18mm socket to get the nut snug. We're gonna be doing the same on the top nut. Using a 19mm wrench, I'm gonna hold the back of the link. And on this side, I'm gonna use an 18mm wrench. Now we can go ahead and torque the nut to 41 foot-pounds. In this case, because I cannot fit a torque wrench on the top, I'm just gonna go ahead and get it snug by hand. Now we can go ahead and install the tie rod to the knuckle. Line it up. Install the nut. Go ahead and bottom it out. And now torque it to 40 foot-pounds. Install the tire. Install the lug nuts by hand. And now go ahead and snug them up in a star-shaped pattern. With the vehicle on the ground, we're gonna go ahead and torque the lug nuts to 98 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.